smoke.
Why would you do that? I'm listening to the wrong motherfucking music. I'll be a bit tired right now.
You need to move. You can't walk. I know, but you need a move to come out here. Like, we have to get out. You two need to move. We need to go around behind here. Yeah, they need to do it.
I keep my car. Wait, stop. Wait, come down. Wait. Look, wait. Hit my car.
You shouldn't have parked there.
The fuck are you doing, you stupid?
I picked up a newspaper left on the table and shook it open. Our abandoned glider was front page. The crushed Hulk had become a magnet for every UFO conspiracy group on the planet. They had just concluded a seminar in Cheyenne, drawing various eccentrics from around the country. An entomologist had found insect eggs deposited in one corner of what was being called the ruptured warp drive compartment.
Saw 285 Augusta, Little Lane. And I'm I.
Oh shit, get to the right. Accident, get to the right. It's that asshole. He hit someone. Lock screen. Lock video. There, got it.
Loyal, and when he flirted back, she confronted him. Yes, what my son did was messed up, but creating a whole fake
Our team of men.
Thank you for calling Munich Park Clinic.
Serious?
Wasn't paying attention.
Yes.
I'm just getting out.
Trouble keeping it between the lines. Stripes, yes. Look at him! Holy shit! Like right completely over on the other side of the road.
Jesus, he's... What the hell is he? He's gotta be drunk.
Jeepers, cripes are still all over the place.
The road driving around the corner. We're on the road.
Holy-
Look, Jesus! This guy's gonna kill somebody. Okay, I don't know.
Entering County Lunenburg. We're just halt and we just
Colton.
holy, he just about run a truck off the road.
C-O-L.
Man,
He is like in the ditch.
yeah.
Я выхожу снова кусок дерьма на машине.
Oh my God!
U85 North, El Camino exit. Search online at bmwfremont.com. Stock number H.
You gotta be shitting me.
00643, MSRP 329.